What if the mysterious sea peoples had never attacked the eastern Mediterranean around 1200 BC? The Bronze Age collapse would never have happened. The mighty Hittite Empire would still be standing, their ironworking secrets spreading across trade routes. Mycenaean Greece would continue flourishing, their linear B script evolving into something far more advanced. Complex trade networks linking Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Anatolia would keep growing stronger. But here's the shocking part. Without this collapse, the Phoenician alphabet might never have existed. The Hebrew kingdoms wouldn't rise from the ashes of fallen empires. Greek city-states like Athens and Sparta would never emerge to fill the power vacuum. Instead of losing centuries of knowledge and starting over, human civilization would have advanced unbroken. We could be 500 to 1,000 years ahead of where we are today. One mysterious invasion reset the entire Mediterranean world. It fundamentally changed the course of human history forever.